Today we're going to do the install of sdrglut and iqSDR on Ubuntu 24.10. And here on the screen you can see basically the commands that you need to do that. And the first thing you want to do is you want to do an update. First you do an update. And then you do an upgrade after you do your update. You always have to do that on Ubuntu, otherwise you're oftentimes it'll screw things up if you don't. So it's the safest thing to do these two things first. And if you've done them recently, it doesn't take long. If you haven't done it in a while, it'll take a while. And here what I've done is there's a bunch of installs that need to be done here. And so I've copied them over into this build file, and I'll run the build file as a script. And okay, so you do a change mods, d plus x on build. You've got to make it an executable. And then you can run the build file. And so this is executing all these commands that are pulling down and creating all the libraries that's needed. And it's finished that. And so now we can, we're on the desktop and we need to do a rehash in order to, under C shell you have to do a rehash, under bash you don't have to do anything, because it's loaded a bunch of new libraries and stuff. And then you do a clone the sdrglut. Now it's already there. I can remove it again. It doesn't take that long to get it. Well, this is cloning the library again. And then we'll cd into sdrglut and do a make. So this is compiling all the modules and building the program. And that doesn't take very long to do that. Now we'll go down into iqSDR and do a build there. I'll make UbuntuOLD. And then we can run iqSDR. Okay, usually use 2.5 megasamples per second.
Yours, you could continue with the steroids and the daily medications, or pursue surgery and long recovery that may or may not work out, or you could see if.
And so there you can see that iqSDR runs pretty nicely. And now we'll go up here and run sdrglut. And the things get things get messed up sometimes, and so you have to redo them. Oh, I accidentally quit. Okay, so help, close. All right. Radio. Alright, so sometimes you need to resize this window. It doesn't always come out correctly, but again we'll go to 2.5 megasamples per second, and we want to use FM.
USA.com today. Available feature. Bose is a registered trademark of the Bose Corporation.
Mommy, want to play a game with me and Dad?
Mom.
And so there you have it, the build of sdrglut and iqSDR under Ubuntu 24.10, and everything works quite nicely.